All right, let's begin. Anything else? If you need to go to toilet, you can wait another 45 minutes later, right? Now, let me just check. What have your teacher taught you in school? Which topic are you at now?
Money.
Your money. That's a very good calculation. Okay, so wait, how come I can't change? All right, we're gonna review back the 4 operations, the last few lessons. We have already done a lot of problem sums, a lot of exercises. So today we are gonna input multiplication and division. Sorry, I talked too fast. The last few lessons, we have been doing plus and minus for the different steps. Now we're gonna do the multiplication and division as well. And also last few lessons, I have concentrated on drawing models. I don't know if in school your teacher has teach you how to use models to actually solve a word problem. Have you done that?
No.
Okay. I know you're in P3, but it's the good basic foundation to actually start. So if you can actually see a model, or I will say not really a model, in pictures form, it actually helps you to visualize better. But as we go along, I'll show it to you, no problem, okay? So let's take a look at number 1. If you didn't print out the worksheet, it's okay. I'm gonna let you try since the other one has not arrived yet. You can have the pen and try to write the answers down. How good is which timetable have you learned up to this point already? Which one are you? You don't remember?
No, I don't remember.
Okay, how about, are you good with 6 timetable? Are you confident in 6?
No.
7? No.
I think I only learn until 5.
Until 5, okay. If you learn until 5, then, okay, as we go along, I will teach you not really a shortcut, but a technique to just master 9 timetable. Okay, just using your finger, which you don't even need to think, you don't even need to count. I will teach you. So that will be 1 timetable, 1 number timetable down. Okay, so if you're at 5, it's time to quickly look at 6, 7, and 8, because I got 2 other students who, one of the girls is even better at 7 and 8 timetable. So you need to start quickly looking through. Okay. So anyway, now Alex has 7 times as many red balls as green balls. Now that's why when I say I'm gonna draw using my pen. Okay, if you have 7 times, all right, as many red balls, when I say the diagrams, it will be good as in that such a way like this, like your red 7 times, you draw 7 units. Okay, Alfred, are you watching? So I'm going to show you the diagram, how you actually draw it. Okay, if it's 7 times, you will draw 7 units. And then your green balls will be 1 unit. Okay, that is the model that I'm actually telling you about. Okay, so here, sorry, my the shape is not as accurate or same size, but anyway, so your number of your green balls, how many are there? How many units? I just drew it out for you. So when I say Alex has got red, R stands for red.
I think my screen has something wrong.
What do you see?
No, something is wrong with the computer.
Okay, what do you see on the screen? Can you see my question?
No, it says if I want to launch a meeting. I done that before, but then it made me restart.
Huh? So you don't see anything screen that I share at all?
No, I need to ask my mother to help.
Can you ask your mom to help? You should be able to see my screen.
Why press? I don't know. I press nothing. Yeah. The teacher is here.
Is he able to see the screen that I share the
Yes.
question?
Yes.
Number 1 question, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. What did you press there? Okay. All right. So when I was explaining just now, Alex has got 7 times as many red balls as green balls. So when you draw the model, your red ball, R stands for red. So you got 7 units here, draw that 7 squares. And then your green, 7 times as many red balls as green balls. Your green is only 1 square. So can you answer these questions based on this? Can you try writing your answer down? So the number of units of your green, how many green are there? Look at my drawing.
1.
Okay, can you write down? Try. Very good. Okay, never mind. I know your answer is 1. It's just practicing with the mouse. Next one. Units of red balls. How many are there? Sorry, excuse me. It's pretty cold. Yeah. How many are red are there? What are you trying to write? Okay, so I guess there's 1, that's 7, right? What about the total number of balls? Okay, I know it's hard to control the pen, right? I'm going to change the color of the ink. I don't know why it's default at red color. It looks very harsh. Last one. Number of green balls fewer than red. So fewer, you have to see. Let's change my color pen because it looks so angry with the red color. So the number of fewer balls will be how many fewer? How much is this here? So would you be able to find how much fewer? This part. Look at the diagram. It's very easy. So basically, 1 to 1 here. So what is the one that is not shaded? How much fewer? How much lesser?
6.
Yeah, can you write down? It's just quite fun and it just takes time to play around with your, very good. Okay, with the writing with the mouse. All right, so I'm gonna clear off the drawing. So I'll show you what's the answer. Okay, 7. So I'm gonna push our screen to this side. And then 7 minus 7, 6. Huh? 7 units. Okay, basically, I think it means 7 units minus 1 unit is actually equals to 6. Okay, that's a printing error. So if I draw the diagram, this will be my diagram that you actually can see the model to help you to visualize better. Okay, that's what I meant. Very good. Next one, number 2. Shall we try this? Now, as the number go bigger, you might not be able to draw, but now at least they're using just 1 digit number, so it's quite easy. So if Carl has got 7 times as many green as red, so same thing, your green now becomes the second question, different question already, okay? So I'm going to draw 7 units. Actually, if I use a straight line, it's also easier, but anyway. So I'm going to draw that. My drawing might not be as neat as, at least you can see there are 7 squares, okay? So that is green, so red will be 1. Okay. So from here, can you answer the questions? How many green pens? Now, total of them is 40. So basically, this whole unit, 7 unit for green, 1 unit for red. So 7, I'll put U stands for unit, 7 plus 1 unit. Total is actually 8 units, right? Now this 8 units stands for, he says that he's got 40 pens. So this 8 unit, which is equals to 40 pens, already tell you that, okay? So 8 units, 40 pens. Can you find 1 unit? Your timetable. So 1 unit will be 40 divided by 8. Okay? So if 40 divided by 8 is also the same thing as 8 times what? Give you 40. Okay, or I can say, I can put it like this, 8 times what? Give me 40. So your 8 timetable or another timetable. Now you have to try learn above 5 timetable because you can't just stop at 5. If you look at 5, as you go on to 5 times 10 is 50. So every number 8, 7, 9 is also included, which you need to learn 8, 9, 10 timetable as well. Okay, so you need to learn 7, 6 timetable as well. So can you tell me what times 8? Give me 40. Do you have a timetable chart with you? You know, popular bookshop, they always have this cardboard and then they got the,
yeah, I think I have one.
where is it? You have to look at it every day. It will help you memorize better. Go find it. Yeah.
Oh, 是哦，是哦，那个啥，有啦，我昨天他 birthday 嘛，我不是跟他讲他 birthday 哦。等他就讲，他就哦，对。
Great. Let's take a look. So can you find 8 times what? Give me 40. If you got 8 times what is also the same as 8 timetable? 5. Okay, it's also 8 timetable, it's also 5 timetable. So basically 40 divided by 8 will give me 5. Now you need to start memorizing the rest already, okay? So can you fill in your answer? If let's say 1 unit is 5, how many units are there in green pen? Count how many units are there? How many units? You see my drawing? Can you see my drawing?
Yeah.
Green pen, start with G. So how many units are there? How many squares are there? Hey, can you count the squares? Do you know what you're looking at? 7, yeah? Okay, you can see my drawing, right? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, so 7 units. So 1 unit is how many? What's the answer for 1 unit?
5.